Welcome to Sweden, the land of beautiful and stunning nature. And Vikings. Wait, no, it's fine, don't worry, they're mostly gone. And meatballs. Seriously, a lot of meatballs, like they really like meatballs. Hey, where did they go? Who ate them all? Oh, never mind, let's keep going. Sweden can be really cold in the winter, like your nose turns into an icicle cold. But in the summer it's warm, sunny, and the sun barely sets.
Son, please, go to bed!
Sorry buddy, this is Sweden. The sun still shines at midnight in the summer. Swedes love fika. No, it's not an awkward dance move. It's a break where you relax, drink coffee, tea, or juice, and eat something sweet and yummy. It's like a snack break, but way fancier. Behold, the cinnamon bun, Sweden's most powerful invention. After IKEA, of course. Swedes speak Swedish, but don't worry, they're really good at English too. Still, learning a few words helps. But don't worry if you mess up, Swedes are super nice. Every summer, Swedes celebrate midsummer by dancing around a pole like happy frogs. Yep, totally normal.
Wait, what?
Just go with it, and yes, they also eat pickled herring. You might want to close your nose for that part. So, that's Sweden. A land of adventure, tasty treats, and really nice people. Want to visit? Just remember to bring a warm jacket, and maybe some extra stomach space for all those meatballs. Wait, did someone say meatballs? Okay, gotta go before he eats them all. Bye, or as they say in Sweden, hey da!